Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. But how much do we really know about where AI models get their smarts from? Many are trained on massive data sets scraped from across the internet. A new bill introduced in Congress aims to peel back the curtain on AI training data. It would require companies to disclose the sources of data used to train foundation models, the large models that power things like chatbots and image generators. Companies would need to report where they got training data, whether they had rights to use copyrighted data, and risks around the AI's performance. The goal is to expose cases where copyrighted material or sensitive data was used without permission. Recent lawsuits have accused AI firms like Stability AI and Midjourney of using copyrighted images or art without consent. More transparency could help creators identify infringement. The bill also wants AI developers to reveal flaws, limitations, and any bias baked into the models, and show how they test for harmful responses on sensitive topics. With AI capabilities advancing so rapidly, transparency is key. We need guards against misuse of data or AI. This bill takes steps to hold AI accountable, so its benefits outweigh potential harms. Of course, the bill still needs to clear major hurdles to become law, but it signals where regulation may head as AI grows more powerful. The time is now to build ethics into these transformative technologies.